catchphrase you got there? Devil's Reject.
Look, empty out the Caltech till ain't a shell left. Bullets burn, I can smell flesh, I can smell death. I inhale the last L right on hell's steps. Devil's Reject, fuck you expect. Listen, I got too many guns and not enough drama. So I'm broad day in the hood, popping a llama. I get the blocks from Poppy, then I holla hasta mañana. Eating pasta like a mobster, still proud of pajamas. I gotta be out of my fucking mind. I had B Wiz sniff another fucking line and break your fucking spine. I'm back around, graduated from the school of hard knocks and got a break in the pistol instead of a cap and gown. A couple chopper shots to back them down. Waving a K like, look at me, I am the captain now. I thought you had racks, homie, what happened now? You take a loss and have more excuses than Pacquiao. Ask around, you fuck niggas, I smack around. My Don C. Bulls jacket smell like a pack of loud. Smell it? My bitch double C is Chanel bagging now. Giuseppe on her feet, I8 Beamer, she swagging now. 100 packs a week, that's on average now. Send a cookie from Cali, I'm waiting on the package now. I only came to snatch the crown from whoever has it. I don't fuck with these faggot niggas that's rapping now. Jump out of the coupe with something to shoot aside. So run up on me, you committing suicide. I built a reputation, niggas can't scrutinize. APC, shatter backboards, hoodie super dry. Medusa on the buckle, gator on the brim. I pull up on your corner, shit spraying from a Benz. It's funny how you only feel betrayal from a friend. It's never the enemy, they hate you from within. It's for them niggas that play with the razors in the bin. My bar's sharp, I write with razors in my pen. My little woe will put the gauge up to your chin. He gon' wait till I say when, but his patience running thin. Look, I am the illest, I am the realest. I ain't a rapper, I am a killer, I am a menace. Listen, I have completed what you trying to finish. I'm aiming at your cap, trying to pill it. It's the machine, bit machine, bit machine, bit machine, bit machine. The machine, pit machine, pit machine, pit machine, pit machine.
Griselda by Fashion Rebels.
Turn that shit up, son. You know, man. I wanna feel it in my soul, my nigga. Gotta give these niggas that gospel, you feel me? Machine, bitch. Griselda, nigga.
Yeah. You know what I hate, though? It's one of you bum ass niggas that be talking all reckless like y'all niggas really live that life. Like y'all niggas really bout that, nigga. Put one of you niggas on a t-shirt, nigga. For real, nigga. From the hood, nigga. All I see is bodies. Everybody, they got a body. Where I'm from, get a strap from somebody. It's probably a body on a gun. My little shooter's a body. Anybody under the sun. One nigga mention my name, everybody getting the drum for fun. Look, I don't let a fuck nigga buy me, cause they just wanna be under a king like Kyrie. Niggas took the love out the game like Olenek. So use your head, nigga, before you get a hole in it. 50 shot fold up, so I unload the shit. Had niggas running and ducking and jumping over shit. I pull up on you, it's over with. In 1 year, I watched my brother take over shit. G-Star, Raw, Balmain, Moto shit. Hibachi filet and shrimp, my Kyoto dish. Yo, Cuban hollow, yo, rolly tick. I'm doing drive-bys dolo, I'm the soloist. Even if it's broad day outside, I'm still letting off the K outside. Nigga, I'm shooting like clay outside. Cause every day a nigga gun spray outside. And I ain't tryna lay outside. I'm from the hood where the G's sell yay outside. It could be 4 in the morning, nigga, day outside. Woo! Kick his door down, rob the nigga bare face. Blowers fitted on the back, hard staircase. Nas baby mama got the scared face. She gon' take me to their safe. You ain't a flying nigga, everything you wear fake. Rockin' fashion rebels, Letterman, the sleeves a rare sneak. My dog got a racketeer case. Taking it to trial, I hope he get a fair shake. And you rap niggas disgust me. One of the illest out, you gotta discuss me. Good kid, but I let the streets corrupt me. Fuck around, your life gon' come to an end abruptly. I'm that nigga, I must be. Fuck a bitch once and now she tryna cuff me. You ain't a shooter, your gun dusty. Black tape on the handle, the 38 rusty. Fuck these niggas talking about. Hey, yo, Danger, man. I got these niggas, man. Conway the Machine, SE Gang, nigga, Griselda, bitch. You know what I do, you know how I play, nigga. Westside was poppin', nigga. Yeah. I'm sticky, I'm back the fuck up. I keep the blicky since them niggas clap my truck up. The wax had me gagging after one puff. I remember back it jumps up. Now it's a half of one stuffed in the trunk. I stack my funds up. Call my savage and have his gun bust. Then they find you wrapped in plastic in a dump truck. Fuck. Only built Deodorus. I pull up with a bitch, they thought it was Rita Ora. My little head buster keep his tool ringing off. Got 2 bodies this summer, he said he needs some more. Highest grade marijuana, directly from the farmer. My enemies is all goners, guess it was karma. Trauma, 4 keys in your baby mom's Elantra. Big ass gun like something out of Contra. Don't make me spray it, nigga. Bodies dropping 5K, nigga. You know how I play it, nigga. Red October, yeah, nigga. Loud, moving slow, I had to yeah, nigga. Still ill when I write it. When they don't name me top 5, I feel slighted. Niggas be talking, but when I'm around, they real quiet. You can pray to Jesus all you want, you still dying, motherfucker.
Hey yo, this is second coming of Christ. Herb like a flight jacket, Mac on sight. All red guy gets on, stump you to death. Yeah, you got designers, but you rocking it left. Need a new plug, prices getting outrageous. Shot the 30 off, my nigga wasn't even naming. Pink lemonade, Porsche Cayman. Low more jealous, looking like a nigga Peyton. Patience a virtue, my youngins a mercury. Ain't going to bell, main blazing the shirt too. Shotgun like Peyton, the fly guard, but the all red Yeezy boost Satan. Eyes out, gloves on, waiting. Cameras on, Larry light pole, whoa. Life so great, they say a nigga sold his soul. Praying Rex get us a Super Bowl. Bust down brigade, the wrist froze from flipping nose.
You know the rules, let the jewels go smooth. They never should've sold you dudes Pro Tools. These old dudes should let the hoes choose. Nigga, your shoes is overused. I hear the fat lady singing, that bitch can hold a tune. As Ben said, I'm guarding the flesh, I had to show and prove. My sneakers literally from Italy. Linked on the cane, thought it was muscular dystrophy. 100 shots, your heel figure look like a fricassee. Who you think you Mr. T? Mitch Green? Or the new Richard Roundtree? You found the Queens with your shit twisted like it was ground beef. A few niggas in town greed. Variegated paint on the I-8. Obviously you see that I ain't. Don't think I'm like these other rap niggas, cause I ain't. You pirate, you got pie in your face. Denim and supplies for flyways. You can't buy takes, we looking at you sideways.
Yourself.
No thanks. You heard what the man said, motherfucker.
Clean your plate now.
Blow a nigga face off. I never hesitate to let it spray off. My bitch sniffing straight raw, sniffing eighth till her face fall. I tell her to clean the plate off. You new niggas, I hate y'all. You fuck niggas still working with an 8-ball. I had your corner yellow taped off. Left V live for the Ray fall. Told Shorty order the lobster. Never been in the movie, front row at the Oscars. You can tell I'm gangster by my posture. Hit a nigga 10 times with the chopper. Hustling out this little bitch house, Tasha. 300 racks stashed in the washer. My bitch looking like a goddess. She finds solace in crop burgers and blood bottoms. She do whatever I say, she ain't gon' break a promise. I say I'm that nigga, really, I'm being modest. The kind of nigga you should praise more. Everything I put out, the bar raised more. I needed to save more, so I made more. Kush trap in Atlanta, jumping like baseball. I showed the nigga what them K's for. Knew he was dead, but I put one more in his head. I made sure, blow a nigga face off. I never hesitate to let it spray off. My bitch sniffing straight raw, sniffing eighth till her face fall. I tell her to clean her plate off. You new niggas, I hate y'all. You fuck niggas still working with an 8-ball. I had your fucking corner taped off. Left V live for the Ray fall. Left V live for the Ray fall. I've been through it, all my scars are the proof. I sold raw in the stoop, Nas BET awards in the suit. Crack a cigar sitting underneath the stars in the roof. But I'm still thanking God for all that he do. Got shot, Bell's palsy, so my jaw wouldn't move. Now I can out-rap your whole squad or your group, or whatever you wanna call it, y'all garbage is true. I'm the nigga when it come to this, I thought that you knew. It don't matter, old nigga or artist that's new. He ain't a target, but I promise I will slaughter him too. I had a lot of dreams, and I was like, all of them true. Designer shit in my closet, baby, all of it's new. Half a block on the table, she put her nose in it. She popped the chopper, I showed the bitch how to hold the shit. Fire out the nozzle, smoke a sour, sipping PJ out the bottle. Blow a nigga face off. I never hesitate to let it spray off. My bitch sniffing straight raw, sniffing eighth till her face fall. I tell her to clean the plate off. You new niggas, I hate y'all. You fuck niggas still working with an 8-ball. I had your corner taped off. Left V live, pull the Ray fall. Hey yo, man. You fuck niggas see what it is, nigga. Bum ass nigga standing there watching. Yeah, nigga. You see what I'm in? See the bitch I'm with, nigga.
What is that? It's the big bad boy, Bobby. Smack. You like it? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I know that you young deuces think that you're tough. And maybe you are. But you don't fuck with me. You don't fuck with me. I do my business and I keep on doing it. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yeah, man, yeah. Routine this. Griselda da boy.
Zelda. Yo, you know the Scottish King do it, yeah, I did it. My nigga, if you don't prove it, we won't permit it. bro. You gotta earn your keep in his key safe. Cats is old, da-da-da-do, we don't appreciate. I sit beef like a vegan with a cheesesteak. I break the collar with my chin and we cheapskate. I been nice. It's been like put the Whitney Houston post up in his cave. You niggas been Sprite. My Uzi fuck up your waves, son. The Abrams with the ice on the tank that make a nigga say, That's word to Romeo and Percy. Ain't no limit with my homie. Hurt my homie, so you hurt me. Cersei, you gotta run up and pull. Take your chance like when John Starks dunked on the Bulls. Niggas gotta know the difference between the waiter and the sommelier. You fuck niggas is papers, we bout to load the fake, roll the tape.
The shit I do with the pen dangerous, infamous. Every bar's 10 razors, hit faces with the 10 gauges. 285 West and the Benz racing, that's templated. I want the money now, bitch, I'm impatient. My little woe will bust your shit open for 10 Franklins. He been craving for a body, Mac 10 stainless. You a big baby ass nigga, Glenn Davis. Woo. Raise your glasses, let's make a toast. We restored that feeling in the city, we gave them hope. I got on niggas' records and made them dope. It's funny how niggas you show the most love to is who hate the most. My Dominican bitch sniff a plate of snow, scratch the cereal off the blickers, them shit's untraceable. I keep the rifle with the laser and the scope. They saying me and West the new Ray and Ghost. Well, I'm humbled by the gesture. Them is big shoes to fill, but I'm not under any pressure. I gave my youngin' my gun with the compressor. Gave him 50 for your body, he would've done this shit for lesser, nigga. Woo! And I ain't even in my prime. Shot in the helmet, I guess it wasn't my time. Not at all. On my brother, I kill a nigga for my slime. I'm Malcolm Holton, the guy for peeking out of the blinds.
You know it's real when you down. Then he set out your books. Held the Bible in my hand, and I read out the book. Before I had an operation, got fed off with jokes. My little brother took the case, and I got let off the hook. Hold that down, bro. Collect the pot, then I set the lock. Real street nigga. He met the plug before he met his pops. I swear the size of it left him shocked. I took the ride just to watch. We mob niggas connect like dots. I made a mess with Pot, Chef, and Rock. These at my door, the work be flushed before the second knock. Straight to the stage when I left the block. Hit the gun section and cop everything they got, left it stop. I check my spot, collect the knot. Went to church with my grandmother, dropped the band in a collection pot. You know my handle, Tony Soprano, a gangster nigga. I'm Joe Bonanno, smoking at the Coca Cabana. Got a half a bricky flown from Atlanta. What you know about hand shots, trying to focus while you loading your hammer. Make a wish and I blow out your candles. While you mad sucker, come get this ass whooping. You know I'ma hand you. Hey yo, Conway. See what fuck me up is that these niggas be talking about friendly competition, right? I don't see no competition there, and I ain't a friendly nigga. So I don't even add up to me. Real shit. SE gang what? Y'all niggas thought it was done? We got 1,000 soldiers, nigga. Huh? You know what this is? When you see me, act like you seen a general, like 5-star general. That's what I am, nigga. Yeah, SE gang, 5-star general. Word.
I've been thinking, man, I've been away for a little while, man. Like 90 days. Sam, man, what you been doing while I was gone?
You know what I've been doing all the time you've been talking to me, you know.
Bitch, get the fuck out the car! Get out! Fuck out the car, nigga! You think I'm bullshit? Get out of the car! Get out! Get out! Yeah, nigga, I should clap your ass. Get your ass up out the car!
Yeah. Come on, man. Peon ass niggas don't know nothing about this shit, nigga. East side, west side, nigga. My nigga Hus pulled up little 50. Everywhere I go, I keep a shooter with me. They saying I'm the newer 50. What niggas doing with me? Nothing. Both pockets through the Benjis. Rocket on the seed if you do it for me. Who is you? I ain't friendly. Nigga, I will shoot the semi. Free all my niggas doing 20. It's funny as I ain't even trying. I ain't even in my prime and I'm inclining rhyming, I'm a lion in the jungle, I'm a giant, I'm a tyrant. Kobe Bryant in 05 got hit with gunfire, survived, and I'm the livest. If a nigga say he live, then he lying. Every time they hear my shit, they just rewinding and rewinding. I'm saying I'm the hardest. Dwight Howard and Derringer, just a marksman. Shooting from the corner, nigga. Girl Scout wax from California, nigga. They playing checkers, this is chess. Call my nigga Ness, bring your chopper and your vest, nigga, yes.
Yeah, my collection over 1,000 guns, nigga. They saying I'm the new pun, nigga. I was brought up under the fucking slum. Come, where animals roam and eat your lunch. Dykeman, nigga. Watch heights be like a battle zone. Protect your dome, don't get caught slipping. Get your melon blown. Who fucking with incredible when I'm making it rain? 4/5 hit him on Grant, brains landed around greens. I'm sick shit with the aim, putting lane straight to shame. Cross the nigga down the lane, assist the con, making it rain. Yo, king, this shit easy. They only talk greasy. We A1 from day one, nigga. We get busy. Blue guy lit my cup twisted, could barely stand up. A wrong stick can get you and your man hit and banged up seriously. My niggas stand tall, Statue of Liberty. We fit to be Buffalo's anchor, the rest is history.
Stay in your lane, nigga. Stay in your fucking lane, nigga. I empty out the whole clip. Cat. You thinking this a game, niggas? Think it's a game, niggas? 100 shots when I'm on shit. Put a shit bag on the front, nigga. Cat. Gangsta shit, you know what's up, nigga. Know what's up, nigga. From the east side to the west side. Salute, nigga. All 30 shells from the tech fly. Nigga, 30 shells from the tech fly. Cat. You know what it is, nigga. All 30 shells from the tech fly.
Los que están buscando que lo dejen llenito de balas. Tigres no quieren esos problemas con nosotros. Somos reyes en esto. Kings, nigga. Te dejo lleno de balas, manín. Representando East Side, West Side. No quieren problemas. Puro calle. Somos calle, loco. Wash heights, encendido. Buffalo. And yes, se armó la vaina.
Yeah, you know the repertoire. Griselda and that FGR. I mean, with the three of us, it's like, you know, Reasonable Doubt meets Only Built for Cuban Links meets Supreme Clientele. It's over there with it like, 45 degrees outside in butter levers. I can't fuck her if her thighs don't rub together. I can't be in nothing that's less than a bare knit. I mean, I'm from where your regrets is a clear pitch between you and your desires. And shooters is for hire. Either that or the wizards remove them like Hezekiah. All hail a benevolent beast from the park rails with the charm to turn over his ex like cartwheels. And we idolized 100,000 in sports cars. Swimming pool full of liquor, baby. Hennessy All-Stars. And now I'm bottle for bottle and hopping out of Rovers. And draped in Nike Tech sweats the way I'm supposed to. The low-top Kobe 10s feel like they was loafers. You mistook the Nike Tech print and made a poster. God bless. And went from Sharpie painting the projects to spending Labor Day with the Blodgers. And that's not a punchline.
Hey yo, the Lex Coops, the Beamers in the bench. Clock and shoot a nigga in the range. Send Ike back for another 10. And keep your head up to the hood. East side, west side, and that shit. Zelda nigga, you can suck a dick. The only thing I think about is getting rich. The work fish,
look,
nigga.
I maneuver through the sewer, the Ruger in the dash. I ain't a computer, nigga. I will shoot a nigga fast. Do a nigga bad, made a move to get the bag. I finesse, pulled up on West and threw my nigga half. I'm trying to be Jewish with the cash. I moved a little glass, took a bird and threw it in the bag, boy. Lately I've been feeling like you ain't gonna draft. You ain't a threat, you just another stupid nigga mad, boy. I had niggas run up in your spot today. Block to the face of your queen, make her unlock the safe. I got shot, but I did not stop. How could I not be great? Recorded with the shell in my throat and still drop my tape. Niggas ain't never did nothing but got a lot to say. I'm red bottom shopping, rocking my Aqua 8s. Me and my niggas on top to stay. I game mock the cake, 50 shots to spray, that's how we operate.
Hey yo, the Lex Coops, the Beamers in the bench. Clock and shoot a nigga in the ribs. Send Ike back for another 10. And keep your head up to the hood. East side, west side, and that shit. Zelda nigga, you can suck a dick. The only thing I think about is getting rich. The work fish, nigga.
I'm back focused, nigga. I hope a nigga get out of line. I can't wait to smoke a nigga. All this Girl Scout smoking, nigga. This shit's potent, nigga. Cooking straight from Oakland, nigga. Shout out to my Oakland niggas. The real niggas that don't hesitate to bust your shit open, nigga. I said I'm back focused, nigga. Now they quoting shit I wrote and they telling me I'm the dopest, nigga. My plug got the doping, nigga. I pistol whip you, leave your fucking jaw broken, nigga. You had a safe in your basement, so we broken, nigga. Fuck it, you was up and I'm tired of being broke, my nigga. You knew I was G before one word was spoken, nigga. I'm trying to chill, don't provoke a nigga. I'm back focused, nigga. I brought the sniper rifle with the scope for niggas.
We don't play fair, we don't play fair, no.
Know what it is, nigga.
No. Shot clips in the max. Text with the air hose. You got a bulletproof vest, better wear those. We don't play fair. We don't play fair. No.
Hey yo, what's poppin', homie?
What up, nigga?
You niggas acting like y'all wanted the drama. Let's get it poppin', homie.
What's good, nigga?
Where your 40? Where your chopper, homie? Just mad cause Griselda's winning, you can't stop it, homie. You talking beef, you need to stop it, homie. Cause I will pull up with this AR poppin' and I ain't stopping, homie. Until I see your body dropping, homie. Then I hop out and put 2 more in you, make sure I got you, homie. Killer Tone, I got you, homie. Just gotta make sure you stay out of that jail when they unlock you, homie. It's Griselda, homie. Your mama knew you'd be a failure, homie. Trap doing well, I tried to tell you, homie. Cops raid, they don't even find paraphernalia, homie. I'm cut from a different cloth, that's how I'm tailored, homie. Kinda like RG3 at Baylor, homie.
We don't play fair, we don't play fair, no. We don't play fair, we don't play fair.
Know what it is, nigga.
No. Clips in the max, text with the air hose. You got a bulletproof vest, better wear those. We don't play fair, we don't play fair, no.
Hey yo, these rap niggas weirdos. Most seen out on Melrose. Never scared to shoot a nigga. Appear on your block like the Looper nigga. Whole team got AKs, my last deal. 3 in the cell, my celly praying for appeals. They want me to snitch, they offering me deals. I told them suck my dick, I'm so ill. legend saying I'm the next one. Whip a new batch, gave the work a test run. The fiends out of space like a jet, son. Bentley trucks, red drum. Pistol whip the nigga, left his whole face numb. Never play fair, stabbed the nigga in the boxing match. Whole team about to win, ain't nobody stopping that. Half a mammy on the stove. I might die from overdose.
We don't play fair, we don't play fair, no, no. We don't play fair, we don't play fair, no, we don't play fair, no, no. Shot clips in the max, text with the air hose. You got a bulletproof vest, you better wear it out. We don't play fair, we don't play fair, no.
Stressed out like a motherfucker. Leave me the fuck alone, nigga. For real, for real.
I got my own problems on my brain, that's why I've been getting high all day. Smoke. I keep my gun on me, you think I'ma let some bullshit slide? No way. I don't tolerate no disrespect. You watch your mouth when you talking to a G, nigga. Watch your fucking mouth. Go ahead and think I'm playing with you, homie. I promise, motherfucker, you gon' see. Niggas better salute me. Nigga, you better salute me. Salute me. Niggas better salute me. Nigga, you better salute me. Salute me. Blow a swisher with dread. I shoot the feds, but I'd rather pick the fifth of instead. And I've been on it like that since I got blicked in my head. And I've been spitting like it's a computer chip in my head. Smell the sour aroma. Every other hour, that sour keeping me in and out of a coma. Made 100,000 without a diploma. Standing on the couches in Onyx, blowing chronic like I was the owner. Mention my name and 30 shells pop. Get a shell in your top. 30 bands in the Jordan 12's box. DMX said it's dark and hell's hot. Get yourself shot. Niggas wishing that I fell from the top. Picture that. Flew to Cali and shipped the sour back. Time is money and you can't get an hour back. Had a minor setback, but now I'm back. I'm riding around with the Tommy and the Ghost to get my power back. Look, you little niggas getting fucking lying. Think you fucking with me? Nigga, you out your fucking mind? I mean, can't you niggas see that it's my fucking time? August Alsina, is you niggas going fucking blind? Any problem, then let's address it. Might smack your mama to send a message. They reckless online, then apologize in your DM. Cause he know I'ma clap him soon as I see him. I ain't no rapper, I'm a god. My shit is classic. My shit is like a raw brick still in plastic. Look, you need to cool it, nigga. You better act like you wanna keep your life before you lose it, nigga. Cause I will lose it, nigga. I will throw all this shit away and have people saying I'm stupid, nigga. Look, this is homicide rap. Heard these niggas wanted the drama, well I provide that. And be with 10 little niggas when I slide back. Dirty dreads and 30s, you thinking you in Chirac. I green lighted the tool spray. It's your doomsday on a Tuesday while I sip on the Douce. Bitches love me like the old Cool J. D2T, just Don John 2s and they cool great. This for them niggas that really move, yay. 50 shots in the clip for niggas thinking I do play. I got my own problems on my brain, that's why I've been getting high all day. Smoke. I keep my gun on me, you think I'ma let some bullshit slide? No way. I don't tolerate no disrespect. You watch your mouth when you talking to a G, nigga. Watch your fucking mouth. Go ahead and think I'm playing with you, homie. I promise, motherfucker, you gon' see. Niggas better salute me. Nigga, you better salute me. Salute me. Niggas better salute me. Nigga, you better salute me. Gon' learn the me.
Yeah.
3 shots couldn't drop me. I'm taking a smile, nigga.
Griselda by Fashion Rebels.